You should see in the back.
All what you see, you can get closer to it if you like.
Yeah. Oh. So who's your market for this?
Well, not me.
That's right, yes. Now we are thinking about those people who, I would say, almost own everything. You know, like they have got their Hummers, their Ferraris, their Rolls-Royce, and so on. But they still believe those are production cars.
Okay.
Right? So whenever they want to look for something absolutely unique, absolutely custom made, and this is the answer to it.
Okay.
So you have a vehicle which is stunning from quality point of view, from design point of view, size point of view.
Yeah.
So all this makes a vehicle which is, I would say, quite unique. In fact.
Absolutely.
It's definitely impressive from the outside.
It is, yes.
So how do you pronounce it? Karlmann King?
Karlmann King. Karlmann King
King.
is an emperor of the German times, and it's just a name taken just to refer to high-level brands.
Absolutely amazing. What's the power plant in it?
The power plant is a 6.8 V10 Ford engine.
Ford
so
engine.
The whole platform is a Ford F550 platform, which is, from this point of view, very reliable. You know? And provides the good type of vehicle to install the shell. So we build basically inside out. All what is unique in this vehicle comes from this, let's say, custom-made manufacturing.
Okay. Is there a chance we could take a look inside?
Yes. Like a close look.
Yeah.
All what you see, you can get closer to it if you like.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. That is like nothing I've ever seen before in my life.
Get out of my
Yeah.
That's cool. That's awesome. I can handle this.
But even like the design.
Oh, yeah.
This wood is very special made.
Okay.
It takes weeks to make it right.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's not that easy to manufacture. This wise, you know, we get this level of quality, and we want to guarantee this level of
Wow.
This vehicle is a 3-door vehicle. One on the driver's side and 2 doors here.
Okay.
So you can access only from this side, and then you can have a complete panel, which is on the other side, which is fully equipped with all what you can imagine. Okay.
Wow.
You put down the list, we do it.
Yeah.
See everything cut down. So this one is basically a product that wants to be available to the customer to be worked out and built up together with us. So we can make really something that is his own. And then the process can be followed by the client, of course, step by step.
What's the outside made out of?
This is carbon fiber, what you see.
Okay.
But we can also make it sheet metal, hand beaten, or aluminum.
Okay.
Hand beaten, for instance, is something that some clients like very much, because this is absolutely unique. There is not a double panel which is identical.
Right.
It has to do with the strength of beating, to the way you stretch the sheet metal, and so on. And so this makes us absolutely So some people prefer to carbon fiber.
Well, I like looking underneath it. Can I look underneath?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So it's not just Ford if you want it, whatever engine, whatever.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This we found that's very suitable for several reasons. You know, it's easy to find, it's well serviced, good engines, and so on. So we thought this was good. But we can consider any others.
Okay. Excellent. We like that. We like taking a little bit of everything, but and that keeps it unique too. If somebody else has this one, then you want it different. I want it on that one.
So it could be time you make every check, and then you say, It's not mine is not like yours. I've got a different type of screw. For instance.
I can see the pride in you as you're talking about it. I really appreciate that. It's completely off the wall, completely
This is
screaming.
really, it's something so unique, so different in terms of style.
Yeah.
It's almost a stealth fighter on 4 wheels.
Yeah. So how many have you made?
Well, this is confidential, but anyhow, we're gonna make a total of 9
Okay.
units.
Okay.
Why? Because we want to keep unicity.
Okay.
Out of those 9, then we will set up a new group of vehicles for another 9 units.
Okay.
And then again and again. So
Okay.
the owner will basically have anyhow a very unique vehicle because it will be tuned to its own requirement.
Okay.
But even the general body is only made 9 times.
Okay.
And then come another version, another variant. Or
Was there a version before this?
no?
This is the
very
first one.
Right.
Excellent. Wow.
We said, I was saying, how can we make something crazy?
You're a man after my own heart.
Good
Thank
to
you
meet you.
very
Yeah,
much
yeah.
for the show.
Good to meet you. Good to meet you.